Viacom and Intel getting hit with downgrades today, and analysts start coverage on PayPal with a positive outlook. Those stocks top Friday's analyst actions. Wells Fargo cutting its rating on Viacom to market perform from overweight, saying the company's third quarter results missed estimates on the top line. Looking ahead, analysts say could face some challenges in advertising and upcoming affiliation renewals. The firm also lowering its price target range to between 47 and 50 from 80 to 85. Moving on to Intel, analysts lowering the chip giant's rating to hold from buy at Drexel Hamilton. Analysts cite competitive factors and declining visibility in key PC and server end markets. On another note, Topeka analysts started coverage of PayPal with a buy rating and a $44 price target. It's currently trading at around $39. The firm says after spinning off eBay, it has a high growth potential. And those are your analyst actions. For The Street, I'm U-Jin Lee in New York.